Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Rebird. Finally, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!